If your Mac won't start normally, Internet Recovery lets you reinstall macOS over the internet. Make sure you have a reliable Wi-Fi network and your Mac is plugged into power. Shut down the Mac. Then press the power button to start or choose Restart. Immediately press and hold Option Command R to start Internet Recovery for the latest compatible macOS. Alternatively, hold Shift Option Command R to install the macOS that came with your Mac if available. Keep holding the keys until you see a spinning globe and a progress bar on the screen. Loading can take several minutes depending on your connection, so be patient. When recovery appears, you'll see macOS utilities with options like Restore, Reinstall, and Disk Utility. Use Disk Utility to repair or erase disks if needed before reinstalling macOS. Choose Reinstall macOS and follow the steps to download and install the system. Keep your Mac connected to power and a strong network until the process finishes. That's Internet Recovery. Follow the on-screen captions for key combos and check our guide for more details.